question what my future has in store. I get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more. No more. So I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I've learned it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength. Self-sabotage my love. Self-sabotage my love. Root of my own pain. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, you got to save yourself. No one's coming. Save your baby girl. Hey, yeah, you got to save yourself.